hold for the next song. 1, 2, 4, take it low. Now we rock. 1.
So Riley had a Post-it on the kitchen counter that she was asking for a remote control car. It's like, why the heck is she asking for a remote control car? Because she got one for Christmas, like a really expensive one. So I asked, and apparently the charger wasn't working. I realized it was under warranty, so I brought it back to the hobby shop, and we got her car working. Whoop. Don't hit me. Watch out, there's a car coming. You see?
Look, I started it.
Where?
I did. Right there.
Whoa, that's a big moth.
Oh, it's a moth?
Yeah. It's huge.
Looks like it has eyes. I found a ladybug. Where? It's right there. But it's orange.
So I've literally been locked in my office all day today in front of the computer with I think 5 or 6 different tech support guys remoting into my computer, trying to clean up and fix whatever sync issue I have with this Lightroom. Bright side is I get to look at old photos that I haven't seen in a while. Oh, look at this. Ugh. It's gonna take a while. Rebuilding my entire library.
Good afternoon, Grace and B friends. Another day with a swollen lip, but another day in the shop. So today I am rocking one of our old just boxy button-up tees, which I love so much. But I was going to show you, I have one today. So these are the biggest fanned flare, mid-rise flare jeans. They're so cute. So they do flare. They're super cute with some little cowgirl boots, but I love the bottom, how it's just like a raw, distressed, uneven hem, a little bit distressing in the knees, and I love the light colored wash on there. So these are super cute. Start at a size like 25 to a 31 is what we usually carry in the jeans. So check those out here. Also, guys, it is October, which is like, you know, Halloween, lots of candy that all of our kids are going to get. So we are doing, once again, October candy coupons. So if you buy something in the store and online, you can you'll get a candy coupon, which is 25% off your next purchase, which will be good all the way through November 10th, I believe. So shop Grace and B online or in the store. We're open till 6 today. And it's Thursday, so yes, we're open until 6 today. So have fun shopping and get a 25% off coupon for the next time you shop Grace and B before November 10th.
So I came by Dick's Sporting Goods to pick up some golf balls. We'll be flying to California tomorrow. I'm playing golf on Saturday. But I stopped by, I was like walking by the shoe section, and something caught my eye. This is the cane that I helped design for sale at Dick's Sporting Goods. So go pick them up.